Hello, my name is Laura Valentina Olivero Rudas, and today I will talk about my daily routine. First, I wake up at 4:30 a.m. Then I get up, take a shower, brush my teeth, and then get dressed. After that, I have breakfast. In the morning, I go to work. Later, I come home from work, do my homework, and organize my time. Sometimes I go out, sometimes I stay home and organize my things and do homework. I usually have lunch at work. In my free time, I like to watch TV and use my phone. I also spend a lot of time with my family and my friends. At my I have dinner and prepare everything for the next day. Finally, I go to bed early because I need to wake up early the next day. I think daily routines are important because they help people stay organized. Thank you.